Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Rose Lido. I'm from Ilagadian, Kasiguran, Sorsogon, Philippines. I am 28 years old. Before, I worked in Kuwait City for almost 3 years. I worked there as a cook. For laham, I can cook marag laham and matchbus laham. For chicken, I can make red kabsa, brown kabsa, yellow kabsa, biryani, marag biryani, matchbus. I can make chicken oven, and also I can cook magloba. For pasta, I can make white pasta, bechamel, and pink pasta. And I can also cook fish. I can make also kubus arok, fried gerger, and I can make simple salad and also Arabic coffee. Ma'am and sir, if you choose me, I will promise that I will finish my contract for 2 years and I will do my best to give you the service that you need. Thank you, madam. Have a good day.